Ju Samara Julie Lost it Samala. Welcome back to channel John Polix. Sorry. Oh yeah. Then John Polix Samala. Welcome back. And Kasina, Takashiga Shesar, Kashiga Shesamido, it was a video chip a bunch of sins ago. Instagram make a ganta chip money. Live stream Tangana Mirupale, Disney off Chokostukle, on Chokostupa. Facebook Unica Yanko, YouTube Unica, Contampo, Tangan Chinti to Sole, in Facebook Unica Tandre Tachi, Facebook Topping and Mirupale. Facebook and Chick Penner, the money container. Kimsa Gansudukle. Tamisama Kampa Dux, the Nijan last met, the Nesperamida, Minda Shiri Spera, Chus Spera, Shuches, Zimotang Chess, Tenachataman Korahale. The Bikoran, Sangis Koran Pevsang, Kora Kaspucha Samarakle, Desame, Gandadupale, Speramina, Minda Tankantani, Manikoran, Simba, Pole, Ulism, Matanchi Chikoram, or Jeltaminda Salkanduk, Samba Izuk Chidichinkoram, Samba Tizungan Patankanduk, Ulis Tanchik, Ulas Tanchikam, Izutik Duk Sister Tangina, or Shiti Scholar Indo, Choses Scholar Indo, Chi Scholar Indo, Administration Scholar Indo, Zumi Scholar Indo. Zimmo potendo to potrebbe dandre Facebook monta temshi kapamidle so ya Instagram botito shidukle ko naksharik borches videorik borches ya jusar mana tani chishat gudna chizer gudna chi message dan chano ta gons pasa ngena wal mampujik message mampo ta azate do gele e ta sangi inbox na ko message ta dünçü keçi de yürüdüle peşi mason le cha jambu jun hale mama budu gele mabya importance bilgin ta par prayanjik pen samarante yanjik Dandrizik busy lose paliang I mano atsik busy lose pasang sakal david lose po chosik mari chokan chospa sakal dawang ata bungil dawaino tenejik chos mari chokan jaste temshik tus to merakle somba sang I lambu tezam tanche chamerak deja ina teninga chan gari jigni sapang gornang mirere jere tene message je ni lan pule dele demone nyampo nonole indo nomole indo ajang anile suina kashiga zumo yoteno kashiga chik tuja mingosa do kashiga chik chidi chanji Oh, chicken at a Miji Tonsu to Tipi Shmatango Mana, Kasian, Jikoranchik symptom you kept mana, teaching no jigging to no jigging to Mompoji got any symptom chishat gun at something Ashadanopole. Some person dejan in a Samala Lantantin, and also down the Ritzigan, is all the Wayanchik Chosik Mari Chot, sorry, Arangaranchik Chos Mari Chot, then a young chick last Mampudu, some person, Ilami last Mamponchele, some person TV just Zuka, Samala Land Pulch, Shamarin, it's Samaring Land Pulling, Conspasalia, there's Samaring, sorry, she said. Somebody the Mrs. Mapoka as the Mrs. Coaches Patujici, Yakulia Lanpulin, that's a yield out a big busy Shirele. Oh, yeah. I was just apologizing, because a lot of people have messaged me in my inbox. I think there are more than 70-80 messages unopened. So basically, I just left them unopened. I'm trying to do more practices, more teachings, more prayers personally, also for the public through Instagram and so on. So it is taking up quite a lot of my time, free time. And besides, I have to do daily my workouts, and so on. So I don't have much leisure, much time to respond to all the messages. So I was just apologizing to everyone for not responding to your kind messages. But once I become a little bit free, I will go through each and every message and I will respond to everyone one by one as I usually do, So that's the only reason I haven't responded. Yaju. So let's do prayers today as I uploaded on a story which I didn't forget, and we will do the prayers of Diringatangae, then a Tashigetbe, Zuka, Sixuchitba, Dumata Silinele, then it is in a Urkin Nujan sounds and Guru Signisul to Mirat and meditation June. Oh, yeah, during the Bikora meditation Goshirakle, the Ringi, Chunju Putzig Numari Zoshik, or Chosil Chesnam, Gomgep Ches Putzig Mari, Goshizoshi Tugle. Ladaksa symptom Poduk, Yatachik Sergama Pozoshes on Basan, Chos Busil Town, Gomba Gapstown, Semba Kamsang Sharkele. Today I think we need more prayers and more meditation, less philosophy, because there are lots of negative news, lots of new positive cases of coronavirus, so it's a bit more distressing, so that's why. Yaju. So as usual, we will start with refuge. Tuskin nangjin latini ngatai manamshi kurs kamloni ngatang guzuginya. Then it's samela patal majarte. We will start with refuge. So hold your palms together. We'll do refuge. Then we will do the noble prayer to the 8 holders of prosperity. Manam gadanyam besim shantam jed lama sangya jiski skulash kapsun cheo manam gadanyam besim shantam jed lama lonsho zos bes skulash kapsun cheo manam gadanyam besem shantam jit lama tok je dulbes kolash kapsun cheo manam gadanyam besem shantam jit lama sangya zimbo chela kapsun cheo manam gadanyam besem shantam jit lama sangya chiski skulash kapsun cheo manam gadanyam besem shantam jit lama lonsho zos bes kolash kapsun cheo manam gadanyam besem shantam jit lama tok je dulbes kolash kapsun cheo manam gadanyam besem shantam jit lama sangya zimbo chela shkabzon cheo manam gadanyam besem shantam jit lama sangya jizgis kola shkabzon cheo manam gadanyam besem shantam jit lama lonsho zos bes kola shkabzon cheo manam gadanyam besem shantam jit lama tok je dulbes kola shkabzon cheo manam gadanyam besem shantam jit lama sangya zimbo chelash kapson cheo yajo. After that we will do the noble prayer for the holders of 8 prosperity. Tene chilchin atashi ke patsi suchi ba on hangshin nanda azigan bona hele. Tene to ke dona page number ikane 42 intigir ngesmena 42. Oh yeah. 초대비는 그거 page number 17장 있어 42 되어지 피한서 돼. 이거 딱 아직 접고 라지나 라스장 고마 중을 쓰는 마게라 겹래 라스마지 고마 중을 때는 맞다 다시스파 지금 맞다 아직 아직 제대로 람루기시스피아 prosperity 온치스피아 독셔스 파는 거래 여기랑 건 주죠 exam 마땅 원래 인도 동제 당신리아 마찬 원래 인도 뭐나 하나 또 꼭라지 뉴스에서 해 This is a very good prayer to read before you conduct, any important task. Like if you have to travel far away, if you have exams or something. Usually, it's better to just get up in the morning and read this. It's very, very beneficial. It will bring prosperity to your day, to your tasks. Go cha ta shi sho don me gel bo sal dan don do gong cham be gyan pal ge ta pal tam ba koi la gong spa ga che ta ba jen lon bo dam ba zal da pal dang ne sem shan tam jat la gong ta be ba yi zim zat ba zal ra da ba de sen zam dos be da shi ba be they were Shakespeare guy lai chan solo John Bajoy no pal dan dor jenzen chara ze wang gong bo cham be ba sa yin bo de ba nam nam ge ni bo pan cho gon do zang oi pa do je pa kar lo jing dang nor bo da wa ra de ni mai chan zan le nam dai shi pa gen jo chan jo sem par gyai lai chan za lo rin jin do jo dai shi se gen ya ding jo bon zang ye ong ga mai la nian da dong da bon zo pa be o me no gan za wa gur ko lo de rin chen tan cho gai ge chan za jen cho de ga wa che jen ge ge ma ge so mo dan be bas be da shi la mo ga la chan sa lo sans pa chen bo den jong se me bo mix dong dan dan ge bo yon gor shong Bais ges bo da lo wa me zang nam de ras de lars as ko lo dang tre sho la dan don ton dor je jen be wang ral de je de gan sen zen sa sum na so ge le ta shis bel jik de gong wa ya la chan sa lo da cha de de ja wa zong ba la ke gang ye war te wa gon shi ne de don ba bel sam de ye jen do da shi de le po so zo par sho ya ju tena no ta dashige pa dashirga thale dashirga to ya teni dashirga pa teni ngata chi six uchatte six nankuga teni six ngata use chuste teni dashirga pa ngata stopa kolte ngele me pe para no ngato pusina malde mo chano ngele tsame tuki da baraza juju teni te uju bushira pa ta saita guru buche tsidun sulte posil chasino ngorgel gni chansam ta sa chi itu yonsle naninglo Serpogoma Zanskar la sonte no pa last year, for the first time I went to Zanskar, and it was from the 1st of June till the 10th of June, and I think I came back to Leh on the 12th, after spending one night in Rangdun village. So I just remembered, because I love Zanskar. It was such a nice place. I had such a good time. Zanskar la mashkit boyons, tembe korang. Chik matakar karainang la dasa da karainang shkit pusara rakhle yale. Tembe korang tajik o chidichin ta pologram tsugrik naushar tsugrik khale. Tezuri tsapik shkit po masur na mane teode chang chamit inna naning lu yitsir pochik shille pale chalak ringyo ala. Te mane ta ko karen la das karainang halte mutsura rak ina Zanskar malte mutukle. Zanskar la le kora juks kan nobrane juks kan changthang pa indo suinang shamchung ne indo kargil pa indo chama Zanskar la met kamet tilgoshes kakchan du gele matan rami no Zanskar pa teni man yulde mo lakmo mi gala le chospa teni te ka izuk le chidichin nas mam budukla jalchis ma yulde mo le teni gari lamang masto chishimiru le ko chita tandri gari gonen gala no jamang ni sen ko aram chosenga ta picnic chosla ale Zanskar la lepya teo ma dasa tsigi tions ba taning lu itu soshiga nga Zanskar yutpele dajipena Zanskar yutpele Zanskar mashkit paos tene Zanskar ba tsamne tokshes yashajos teka mani korang lo seleb zana ril gurte leble chejuna mani korang jo oma tara mani karji jimpo dugle organic te jimpo le ngarmo tene mani korang naturally ngarmo le chini matapkan tene mi gyala le karachana sangeken zera nogle nemba mani korang shkit poyons teo dasa tsigi tions ba just remembering, my trip to Zanskar. So last year, I was just saying that, everyone should visit Zanskar at least once. It's a beautiful place, and things are still very ancient there, in a very good way, untouched, very natural. That's why equal lekur bada exposure man posong bada sapik ale mata mi samba tangzu indo te yang te guje yang do Zanskar ngan mang tarum mane khorang isu samba lakmo chosong khaspali yang. They are very good with Dharma, great devotion, great people. And I spent 10 days. I visited each and every village as much as I could. Jama chikma puto kanta chikma puto mane korang changi mebe bantangse yulsama leble puktal kumpa sapo leble mane nirang chipata tarisha usukle shkit pons tayang yusuk mekyala 4G ni metyak te shkit po ale 4G metkan shkit po light am rukle tene mobile na tablet na chang mekyakle tena specha chos mi kharji anma kazu do te tos te shkit pena nokle tene chik dangri chik ngata go khurche se zuk chalak zas mekyala malde mutsulle ana te tsama Zanskar tajik mekame jalgoshis kakchandu Zanskar chagoshis ya mina tsama sistema Zanskar chachis ngata plan chogosukle simira group juste nas kurches Zanskar talo July na chachis sambek choshiyut pen talo zume jeste tsikans pacha mishay ya ju tamane tajik stigma yang changenna ngar chachis riwa yutle stigma chanangal tajik dukchasin tsama chik duin sam te ngurumbuchi sani zikani yulbe khatopa ngurumbuchi chopuk dupale gurumbuchi chupuk marsachin modu sani zikani yulba tena padumi nyemon padum zena Zanskar capital sospo tena sani zi sponge kit polingen all den mishes teka gurumbuchi skundel de mo jigle tena te tape guru nyima usre chupuk du zase ganta nis soshi dulti chabus market pole teka ngachi tsama na molo soshi tsama dunya na samte Zanskar tsama du sama bodu da chi soshi ngachi silent retreat soshi ngachi chageshin maji no da chi tsama jinga dunya na samsa sambegit pinyale tatalo dukshis mason namolo dugle tatekan jigri chikte udukpa temong zikano kyalo temong zane tenmo lada za tenmo zirupa tenmo potpe temong zichin tenmo zana awzano pole Himalayan brown bear te balu ta tenmo ngane kaspo chakle tenmo zikano mane kona rugo kono koksa kerduklule rugo ling mane kona koksa pangdu zanole taji ka shanku ngone ko diktena porgo tikchus poko shanku no ko yong enchima no tenmo zikan balu zikan mashukshun no pare ko panja jik tanar go sese chuchano kole tene gompa khashile mane korang pilokpa charladuk public toilet chagra khashirgo rugo mane korang shchas rugo jarte do pal wa tachin yongchmana gen lezu chagra shchas rugo ji jerten izam chagrena kugale chagra izam shante chogoshi ji dis pasa man lama ken tenmo yongser ko man shin rugo chasa pangs te chapchos ko ne isu chasa rugo skarten zakan zuru pol man shin rugo chasa pangdulule 다들 termo 즉 지시 두만에 때문에 장직시 인디미로 할래 so 다 산라 지기수 참에 독산에 지 발루를 용스타나 termo 즉 한번 용스타나 되네 쇼사메 껴래 되네 거다요 먼저 상겠어 야마호 먼저 상게 나와대다 할래 소소 자자 포화당서 샤샤세노 볼래 마나 terme도 봐 terme도 때는 거 샤샤세노 때문에 장직이 디미로 야주 아야 잘 당스발래 Okay, we'll do because in Zanskar, I was planning to spend 1 month this year to do retreat. I was really wanted to do retreat in Zanskar, and they have beautiful caves, beautiful locations, and I wanted to do 1 month silent retreat in Zanskar, with my beautiful Zanskar people. And I was just saying that, the only scary thing in Zanskar would be Himalayan brown bear. Yeah, I've seen some doors, because the toilets are always outside. The traditional toilets, it's not part of the house. So I saw some doors literally shattered, and covered with plastic sheet. And I asked them, why are your doors damaged? Why do you need to put metal doors? And they said, no, Rinpoche, the door was fine. A Himalayan brown bear visited and literally destroyed the door. Just literally, broke the door. So they had to replace it with, some plastic, metal door. So I think that's the only danger. If you're in the mountains somewhere and if a Himalayan brown bear visits you, you can't do anything. You just have to prepare your own death. Maybe put some salt and pepper, on your body. Mana, achana tirmo yung sana guchi chunne. Gyospa guika cha lukcha, pepper lukcha, mana, sana pari lukcha, nyerma ma tsiksh kuste. Ta dona zazi chese, mana li, zona damar chito ika, tat katang su burtang cha nokle, mara barsh kuste, tene tirmo, tirmo sa chese no. Yeah, ju. Okay, Guru Rinpoche, the 7-line prayer for Guru Rinpoche. Guru Rinpoche Tsikyu Soldeb Instagram etankan beka izukmiruk. There's no page number of the one that I uploaded in Instagram, but in Jadun Chodeb Nankuga 227 ko tukle. Teo pinasa te. Oh, yatene Guru Rinpoche goma tsame. Simne Guru Rinpoche goma zatene Guru Rinpoche tapachaste. Try to visualize Guru Rinpoche, generate, cultivate devotion to Guru Rinpoche, respect to Guru Rinpoche, and then we do this prayer 3 times. Jong so da Cordo Gando Mambe Scoy Kiki Jeso da Doge Chingi Loje So Ngoro Padma Se De Hong Oh yeah Guru Buji Tsugni Sulte Pesima Kamsang Songre So Atzerka Bud Simbashkit Posong Guru Buji China Vijaste Gina Guna Simba Kamsang Song Se Yudu Rewa Yuju Tenu Atashmo Asil Chugele Now we will do the dedication. Literally you can feel this uplifting after doing this application to Guru Rinpoche. You literally feel like your whole energy level has gone up, your worries, your upset has gone down, and now with meditation it's going to get even better. So let's do the dedication first. 399 sorry Instagram ka upload chukanbo Sonam de tamje zexpa ni topne nisbe danam pamje shkega nanchi balam chokpa ye shitbe sole ando dolware sho jamba pawe chedar Kemba dang gondo zangbo deyang dejin de deda kungi jeso dalop jingewan deda tamji rabdo yungo chancho semcho rimbo je mashke spanam shke gyure shke spa nyamba medba yang gongne gondo belware isho gewan de shke wo gon sonam yeshe tsozo ne sonam Yeshe lejo tamba skuni to show okay ya juta teni matai meditation jikchin homji gabin tene simba kamsang chanok le cerka budan ya cerka budnam cerka yoten le tarong yula yoten sem ninga tan sabik cerka metkan chana tarong da yula cerka yoten ya inna susu jik simba kamsang chachisa pan ya ju tene tsami ju shi suk teu shing bujere kyonsa yale düzgün jukan nangjila everybody bring a small bindu like this as usual then it will up or place it in front of you like 3 feet away from you and then cross your leg if you want to sit in cross-legged position kaltes ngena won dojish kiltu ma jugni yudla then go makang pa yunma borches yunmale yunma zera chen kashin yaspacha borchenle yunma left so then take out topeka yaspa borchet on top of the left you put the right so yunga tan nangpe dugsu tezu nole hindu guni dugsu tene yam yaspa goma borte tene yaspe ka to yunma bor nole so hoya tene shuksazat ya je tene shkepa katanga borasate datsosla so hoya tene lakpa ikirtana yunme ka to yan yaspa nan gushesi nole yaspa wenna mina yunma dominate chonole ngata nangpena so sit cross-legged right dominating the left in the Hindu tradition, I think they sit opposite, when you do yoga. They put the right first and then the left on top. In Buddhist tradition, it's always the right dominating the left. So don't forget that, you have to sit according to the Buddhist tradition. And then, no need to crack your back. Keep your back straight, okay? Like an arrow, that's what's Then your right hand dominating on top of your left. And then just put in your lap like this, gently. Shoulders open, shoulder gun base borazat, then goes up a kugasan of gonyu, jiduna katan bona gavachanole. Katan you katan paya, it's a big kugasam, jiggle, you got that nangosamaye, okolsan, but you said nangosam. Oh yeah, then me put patch bigosanole. Aga, padla zum chismanole. Tasa de vipassana chachuzane, me put padla zum situpa, the zumanole. Keep your eyes half shut. Then it's a big piece of purchase. Mouth also a little bit open. Visual. So you touch the tip of your upper palate with the tip of your tongue, and then just rest. Back straight without moving at all. Try not to blink as much as you can. breathe equally through your nose as well as through your mouth. Kana na kung miska nux nena sa te. Nux buchik gula masachu. Dang skola samba matang, tori skola samba matang, mano chitong chang samba kurin maduk. Stingi chi chogoso, karje chi za goso, stawa cha goso, cha mi goso. Zumo pelti vede me de he chi fonji tangushis mani chang samba masale. Mahaba. Chap tukseno. Mikpo deushin bika borasa dia. Deushin bika borzana deushin bika stase dukshanukle. Bas. Sto santarini mishi tukzere mira dezosla. Stase minna sta chanukle. Tongse dukches mano par yanga ta yanji. Teoria chazane tagring mata tongse duga mette zumanukle. Minna stagosanukle. Minna sto san tagrini mishi duga. O terjika to mishi duga zere zosla. Stase dugosan minna stagosanukle. Tenis semba tega cha boryanukle. Tongse bonye duna tenis semba kane kar yangshanukle. Awamogo. I was just explaining that you have to gaze intentionally as if you're trying to make out someone from the distance, like, oh, look over there, in the far away distance. Who's that, Can you recognize that person? Likewise, we gaze intently at the bindu, which is placed on the floor in front of us, directly in front of us, roughly 3 feet away from us, at a very comfortable distance for our gaze. And when you gaze intentionally, it becomes easier to rest your mind onto the bindu. Whereas when you merely see the bindu, then your mind will start drifting. Keep gazing, okay? Keep gazing. Ziksin, jukse. Stase dukushanole. Specie gulamas Sembor küçes, sembor Türkçes, rangine metken çarkle. Distraction, depression, upset mind, everything gets cleared. Mind becomes so relaxed. It feels like, you're taking a nap after a hard day's work on the sofa. So relaxing, calm. Simba tewa korma juhe. Simba kore changora manole. Ekdam chano tewa. Chama juk, korma juk. Deushin bika jab bolasa deya. Samba mindo korma juk. Samba chidam kone jab pian loksi kyo. Samba chut. Samba tangushid mana tasa idus bika. Samba kani yonduk. Samba kalar bichi tu chang stakche chogoshid manole. Samba zigan bichi nuk sem zigan bichi chang stakche chogoshid manole. Izani chang samamatan kore deushin bika sembo burchisle. Sembo sambege wachami chukshis. Sembo deushin bika burchis. You should not wonder about the comings and goings of your mind. You should not, analyze your thoughts, nothing like that. In this meditation, you merely rest your mind onto the bindu and rest. That's it. rest peacefully, calmly. And your thoughts, your depression, your worries, they will also fade away. And you will feel this calmness. You will feel this calmness going through your whole body. Simpati wa chalcham gura manole. Second kachi gura do. Simpati wa sonsa pimikyo. Yan lo sikyo. Just relax. We are not dwelling in the past nor in the future. We are in the present right now. And we are resting our mind onto the window. That's it. Mixuma mazat, tewa majans, zupchik mogula. Oks na vuna kang miskaran inches. Simba kamsang chachin, Zuxbang kamsang chachin. Minutes to page only. It's only for 10 minutes. Kashi gets a big media on. Gala only. So putar mal sustain only. Kashi need mid by young money for a hoshir in your pool. Now so me put the mojo to get to Angela only. Miss Kagano, eh? Yeah, minutes 10 minutes. Thank you everyone. Once again, teni daiga da shunjupo. Da sholo get you getting bit. Sholo get you get the cover just in ugly. Teni the Janjuka Nangshin la get you get the nonish get chesnam. 각체 다 각체마다 상관이 없대 지금 갖다 지금 판독 지금 갖다 하고 지스 마마마 이렇게 지스나 뭐 결혼을 할 때 봐. 미스는 거기는 오늘 도시스 판인데 얘기는 오늘 디지털 할래. 도시스 판은 거야. te petarongina woni juju o share chuste igun los masada stasi kun ton ta timirale tene miramone mitsina ko misal zokla panchenle mitsina ko chik choshi shes na mashes na chik is chunju pushes ko shimon kakshin monukle nangpaji inne zumte timira nangpaji inzano ngata tenana tene ate pachin mo wa inzanokle mahayana pa inzano wajrayana pa inzano khani dashada nokle 이 만에 또 딱성마 이 다섯 잔닝지 검지서 박음지 때나 요때 녹래 작불제세 돈 따고나 불에 있나 줬바나 있나 줄진나 있나 짐바나 때나 요때 녹래 송버서 이거도 필로소피틱 하고 거서 녹래 남배 필로소피래 남배 같다 이 지리진 집에 주선제가 뭐 주세 돈 따버서 하고 거서 녹래 또 하고 왔더니 지리진 그런 주스 뭐 하마고 하다 주스나 판다판 어때 판안 어때 이나 세미는 것에서면 따슬이 하면 보여라래 맞아 저녁에 미춘전 디오마모 보이든 집에 저는 장인제잖아 지노 우소빠잖아 지노 파페 덴바지잖아 지노 우소빠 집에 공고서는 두시만 집에 gel라마노 와 지지는 거랑 두시만 집에 gel라이노 우서 가시세도 보 두시만 gel라로 춘전에 두시만 거딘치 뭐 저거 거딘치 집에 거딘치 뭐 뭐네 장 단담에 간소리 동방이잖아 지노 저러 좋다 때 상마테니 다서 이종한다 필로소피니 하고는 볼래 개페 이군 이런 전통이나 주주 로즈마스야 되는 인스타그램에 업로드 주간에 just 이런 스크린샷 전에 인도 코피 전에 인도 그 코피 전에 이런 걸 포르는 거 앨범 소쇼 somchmana 춘죽 보디자리아와 따라 춘죽 네 patience chapters 있는 앨범 주스 발에 다서 폰거는 거 나셔 버립니다 되는 때는 거기는 이 스타트 좀 벌어서 달래 so the translation go tajik samnyana ngil demo chus dispinale inna chik translation purpose tem galati na mero translation galati mayana ina translation is upo commentary english te ngi upload chamiro le stinning upload chus bin ina kitab nyo azante nectar of manjushri speech kan bayale tene purpose 6 ngina ya mobile na ko zik kitab na ko zik sang ina ndo chus panchenle misena mong panano taksan panano stigma panano ya ine ja kanta chirere zore turemata isagala wa testing nyang ja kanta chirere ngirangone kitab sila sathe itasa nectar of manjushri speech zera zosla chunjuk zera zosla te special sila za tontagon zik samba tanga za tene chang hingje zana chin no sut pa zana chin no te samaskura zik hagu ko sanokle te mane chang shagmiru pamiro dole nang pa zana chik o mane pa me hong za chishi mane chang shagmiru pole te shaggu sano suso rang shaggu sano janma chi shagin suso rang shaggu sanokle tene chik samba mata chik o simsano ngana ko confidence yo anokle ngana pa gala jigin samchis bata sa jiwale mala mira kera nang pa gala kazu en zanokle kaltes kera mijiga isamshik kwa dumal yo nga semba tachera qsamna tizuk man pa jik kazu shi yong shichese no zanopale kera nang pa kazu en zanokle kera tela mera molte no jiwale tizuk samata tiwa yo anokle semena hawa nang pa ina izuk chogo samano uzeste ngata tene chik stigma discussion ji chazana migo ngata jawab tangi yote nokle ona tandere kane kera discussion chanopa junugun dugzan discussion channel chimigun dugzan discussion channel chini chianga ta spera tanzo chara te spera tanzo tene nang pa zena chiang zene tene omane pa me hongze shishmane chidle chakpole ton tak cheno zene tene jaw me pa khalo chamira inopa te zena ngata chusi ti discussion chazane tsapi tsapi ngata job tangi chi ton par para sho yong zene migune sho long zene ingira ngon ta se chunjugi asa chide chen jiwali estati kashi ngira ngon phaza da mane kora mitik tum chenle 하고 이거는 뭐네 그런 정적 밑간이 초스는 볼래 아주 초스딱 보는 대변이는 오늘 주죠 정말 유춘주 보기로 주서 하고 오시 각선도 게래 정말 두지 thank you for everyone and I'll see you tomorrow again at 5 o'clock. I just hope that this disease will be contained soon. It's always my prayer. It's very difficult to see and on the news websites that how many people are dying, how the cases are increasing. People are becoming very careless, and spreading the disease knowingly, unknowingly, both. So it's my sincere prayer that this disease will be curbed and controlled and contained, and eradicated eventually with a vaccine. Izumo metkanchachi zrewayoju tine par news gurina ko silzani TV tastamete ina news pomposilatle tene news silzane mane kora sambar kuchina suduk migone kashi hagoinji no zumo speldu kadar chamiru kashi ha magoinji no komone kamekya zumo zepi speliduk to odulin sposa miska tene mane koranchik gela mano gele zumo pelteno tene ji zumo gospa metkanchachis zumo control na lishes jisten kampo la taspo manole sambulin kampo tene nasa zumo sports pekane tarchese monamyo tene dang dilia the pregnant zuk tool dargyat patu pena ko kane pomo kazuga amawte pari kazu stine jupeka 참 맷바 그것이 대조스 지가 대조 동안 마통식 선생이 리숙 모나메틀리 mana 닝지 미고는 미미노 섬션이노 드렌디자테 람포치 아마지가 되는 데파리 파이네플이 나고가 이속때 신토가 나고 파차가 당스테 때 자죽스테 파차가 자스코노 토페노 고조 토파줄테 장마상가 죽때만에 거랑 스탄스페노 콜루스테 시마시아 되는 콜루스테 데니스테니스테 아 람포치 시테노 섬션 코랑 시테노 그 주광 시테노 또 스페셜 섬션을 동갈때서 뭐 다스탄테노 그래 mana mi tungal te zami ke semshani tungal te zami ke for example spejar na te tsaka mayon shi zingi ilshik mana mi yudli inas mo chu kadar chozat te wa hatta ta mena mo pushke da mazat te kimse tu nyen chung pu tsama la house la te oya tsama tuji chi thank you so much I'll see you tomorrow 5 o'clock yeah